Hurricane whose tropical cyclones are called typhoons in Asia and hurricanes in North and South America. These storms go around like a winds turn to the left when they hit the northern part of the world. They have a mild wind speeds of 60 kph or more. In the United States, the Tropical Prediction Center in Miami, Florida, gives an eye out for hurricanes. When meteorologists detect a hurricane, they give it a name. They can use either a male or female name. Why should tropical cyclones have names? The name makes it easy for people to keep up with information about a hurricane and its possible dangers. The World Meteorological Organization WMO, an international weather group, decided what the names will be used. The WMO list makes a list of names using this English alphabet. Each name on the list starts with the different letters. The first hurricanes of the year gets the first name of the year list. The second hurricane gets the next name. For example, if the first hurricane is named April, the second might be named Betty. The name needs to do not include names beginning with the letters Q, U, X, Y, and Z. There aren't many names that begin with these letters. Asian countries use the different list which is made up by the WMO's Typhoons Committee. This list has a few personal names, but most names are of flowers.